I think me experience both country life and town life. You know, country I wake up to roast and irate feminine morning. And then town where I wake up to gunshot and arguments. Two extremely different experiences. But what happens when you fling a country youth in a town life? What am I tell you? Sabo. So the story take place in my first year at college. Now at the time I never lived pan hall as yet, so I never really get the luxury of waking up 15 minutes before class, bathe and get ready and still reach in time. No. I ever jump on a JUTC bus from my grandmother at Portmore where I used to stay. That I go let me have a crossroad and then I take a 5-minute walk up on campus. So this used to be my routine from Monday to Friday. Wake up and get ready by 6:30 in the morning. Walk go to a bus stop there. Take a number 4 bus, would let me have a crossroads safely within an hour time. And then would have to take a 5-minute walk up on campus. So would I reach by like 7:45. But as we all know, you know, one day I go come with the entire routine thing the way I have planned out. It I go mash up and you have to go resort to something else. So on bad Tuesday I wake up like 6:30 as usual. I reach out to a bus stop there, but for some reason, the number 4 bus never reach on time. So I have to resort to taking a 3A bus. Now this bus here go let me have a halfway tree. When I have to take a coaster from there, so go across road. Alright, no problem, right? I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
Lord have mercy.
So I jump on a 3A bus and I reach a halfway tree safely, as expected. But I also things get tricky. You see, I never take a town coaster before. You see, me normally is a straight taxi from when me there to wait party JUTC bus them there. Where necessary that is. But never a coaster. But I mean, me love an adventure. You see me? And again, I mean, I just take one bus. What could possibly go wrong? I mean, based on the video them I see on the internet, it don't look that bad.
Lord have mercy.
Oh my God!
What I need you to understand is this does not look good for you.
So boom, the halfway tree jump in one coaster say me I go across roads. The bus start drive on a door and we reach near crossroads. You know the little distance there where you so reach where you're supposed to come off. So you need to get up and say, yo.
What's up, man? Driver.
Bus stop, driver.
Bus stop, driver.
Driver.
Stop, you can stop the bus.
So I did a little distance there. I get up and I say, yo, yes, I come off my general. Now, listen. You see, if you want country youth and you plan to go a town, you might need to get a book and a pencil for the party, because me have to learn this the hard way. I mean, I want you to fall victim as I did. You see me? Write this down. You see, if you want man in a town coaster and you say bus stop, the bus now go stop for you come out. The doctor say, step up my general. You see me? And what that means is that you need to walk towards where the door there. And yes, while the bus still a drive. You see me? So, I just want to give you a little rundown as to the process to come off one of them bus here. So, it might tell us if you step up, you need to walk towards the door there. And then the bus are going to start slow down. And you, the man, need to run out of the bus while the bus drive at 70 miles per hour. Yes, and them lifestyle them up there live. After me get up and say bus stop, the doctor say, step up my general. So I walk up, go up to which part the door there. The bus starts slow down. Then me hear the doctor say, you that me G. Now, in this case, look a bit of common sense kick in. The doctor basically tell me say me need to step out of the bus.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Now at this time, as me say, the bus still a move fast, see me. And me never know that there's a specific way we're supposed to step out of a moving coaster. Apparently. You see, it turns out say you need to turn to the front of the bus. Hold on to the little silver bar where they're above the door. Step out specifically with your left foot and then run out. But see, it seems simple, but see problem here. As me said before, me never experienced something like this before, so me don't know what me supposed to do. So when the doctor tell me say, "Are you that me general?" Me say, "Alright, you know what, I'm my time to step out." Let me try. So I walk up to the front of the bus, turn to the front of the bus. Put my bag in front of me and say, "You know what? Fuck the silver bar where they're above the door."
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 way, boy.
Lean out of the bus and say, "Jesus, take the wheel and go step out with my right foot to backside."
And never me tell you go do it. And never me send you go do it.
Better me turn my yard to backside.
Oh my God!
Face plant in a Miglite town. Get up off I ground, brush off myself. Everybody in the bus are dead with laugh. And the doctor go look round upon me and say, "Yo, a man blow me general." I mean, first of all, sir,
That batty man left us
why?
a man.
And second of all, why you never stop the bus when me come out? Have a look at country youth in a Miglite town look like a some poor thing to bomb, but judge a youth. You know what the worst part about all of this though? Is that me never need to say bus stop. Like the bus stop exactly where me did need to come off. Like me get up off of the ground and thing. And the bus stop like couple meters from where me drop. So the whole of this just happened for nothing at all. Cha-cha. All me say, if you never know, you never know, you see me? You live and you learn. Peace.